I just got home from work and I'm just sitting here. And he hates these shoes because of the. I hate them too, but they're good work shoes. Oh, now it's my son. He pecks them hard. He's pecking it so hard. What are you doing? What did you do with my shoe? Dexter? Dex? No. Okay, that's enough of that. That's enough. Come on. Step up. Step up. Step up. There you go. Okay, let's get you this way so we can see your beautiful face. Hey. There. There he is. There, my boy. And here comes Sunshine. There's Sunshine there. There's Frankie there. Yeah, let's get your beautiful face instead of you always with my shoe. Hi, Sunshine. Yeah. See? What's your name? What's your name? No, what's your name? Frankie. What's your name? No, 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 no. Okay, back up. Back up. Come to my fingers. No. No, I want your shirt. Okay. You're too close. You're too close. Here. Why don't you go on the lavender here? There you go. There. You want to go for a walk? Does everybody want to go for a walk now? He can fly. He lives outside. But when we go for a walk, he comes with us. And he fights Summer for that stick. It's so bright I can't see what I'm recording. That's that.